Julian's colors. You have to stand over here, Poppy. He has been doing this since he's been about 19, 20 months. And we just go in here, in our bucket randomly, pull stuff out. Red. Good job! High five! Green! What is that? Green. Is it a blanket? Yay! Orange. Oh, you want to do yellow? The rocket. Good job. Yellow. Yay! Which one? You want to pull them out? I'll let you pull them out. Blue. Oh, it's like the dark blue. That's a van. Good job! Yay! Purple! Purple! Yeah! Purple's a monkey. Purple! Yay! Which one do you want to see? The blue. Good job! Yay! Mwah! Yellow to zebra. To zebra. Yay! No more yellows. That one's that weird teal color. Yay! Good job. Green. Green. Yay! Good job. Make the sound of a cow. Moo. And a horse. And a chicken. Good job.